Okay, Harvey the Silver Fox here. I'm going to make a training video on how to get paid to watch and share these Brand Harbor webinar videos that I'm going to show you in just a moment. We happen to be at our training area where you give me your webinar links. I will then produce a free marketing video for you and promote it on a few of my social networking sites. Also, you're going to get paid to watch and share this video. So before I get started, I like to put some disclaimers in my videos, what you're watching now, what I'm showing you now, what I'm teaching you now. Chances are will change possibly in the next 24, 48 hours a week or a month from now. So don't be confused if you see something different. Now, if you happen to be watching this on the internet someplace and you're not on this page, there's not going to be a link in this video to get to this page or to get anywhere, because this is going to be a very generic video. So make sure you ring that little bell, join my channel, my YouTube channel, and in my YouTube channel's other videos that you can watch, and there'll be links in those other videos where you can eventually get to this page here. So on this page is where the instructions, if you watch this video, you're going to find the instructions on how it works. I'm not going to get into any detail with that, but I will produce a video for you, your own video, coded specifically to you, with your links in the description of the video. And of course, then I will place it down here. In fact, I'm working on Leone's here and Jeff's right now. But I'll place it down here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out there and share it on my social networking sites. In fact, I'm going to do a demonstration on how this works. But first, in the description of the video I produced just for you will be this information. First, go here to join Brand Harbor. And of course, it's going to be your link, your lead capture page with your ID. Now purchase your Brand Harbor webinar kit. It's going to be your referral link with your ID here. So when they purchase it from you, what's going to happen is you're going to make 25%. And we've just added this. This is going to be actually 5 levels deep. Your first level, you're going to make 25%. Then you're going to receive passive commissions 4 levels deep. Now, like I say, with all of my training videos, none of this is in stone. This might change, so don't be confused, all right? But as it stands now, at the time of this training video, your first level, you're going to make 25% when somebody buys a webinar kit from you, and then you're going to get paid up to 4 levels deep. Now, this is a standalone affiliate program. You do not need to be a Brand Harbor member, but I strongly suggest that you are a Brand Harbor member, because that's where you're going to get training to learn how to go out there and promote your webinar link out there, your referral link. So I strongly suggest you do become a Brand Harbor member. Not necessary, though. So below, find the list of your sponsors' Brand Harbor webinars. This will be in the description of the video I make for you. Each one offers a variety of bonuses when you watch the entire webinar to the end. So these will be your webinar. You're going to give me these webinar links in the Telegram group, the Brand Harbor just Training and Discussion Telegram group. That'll be yours. Okay, these are the companies right now for a demonstration, but they'll be yours. And I'm going to place each and every one of your webinar links that you claim in the description of your free marketing YouTube video. So when I produce your Brand Harbor free marketing video, I'll be replacing your sponsors' links up here with yours. So watch this video that explains how to get paid for watching and sharing your video. Well, the video I'm producing right now is going to go right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your video or any of these other videos out there, webinar, the Brian Harvey webinar videos. In fact, let me show you some other videos that you can get paid to watch and share. On this page here, you're going to find more webinars that you can claim. And each one of these training videos here, these are training videos. This is not the actual webinar video, okay? The webinar video you'll find down here. These are training videos. So you can get paid to watch and share these training videos. You just click on them and then follow the instructions I'm going to give you in just a minute. So each one of these videos here, you can get paid to watch and share. Okay, now, I get this asked all the time. Are these specially coded to you? No, these are very generic videos. In fact, the company has their links in these videos. The only one that you actually get paid to watch and share would be your video, which is found here. So yes, what I'm going to do in this case here, when Leonie or Jeff watches this video and shares the videos I am going to be showing you in just a minute, yes, they will get paid to do that, and they're going to be sharing their video with their referral links and the webinar links in their video. But these other videos over here, these will be company videos, okay? So you're going to go here and share. It's going to open up here. Now you can embed the videos into your blogs. Strongly suggest that you do that, especially if it's your video. But if you go here and click on Facebook, and what I like to do is share it to my groups. Share the group. And then what I'm going to do is you need to put in keywords, hashtag keywords. Now with the instructions back in the Telegram PM area, I will give you these keywords here. But you need to put these keywords in. I have about 600 Facebook groups that I own, but remember, these are going to be to your groups or your Facebook stream or wherever. This is going to be to yours, not mine. And I'm going to put it here on this one here. I'm going to paste the keywords in here, and then I'm going to go down here and post it to Facebook. Now, LinkedIn is very powerful because when you make a post in LinkedIn, remember, it's your LinkedIn, not mine, and you share it in a post, and you put your keywords in here like I'm doing, and you post it organically. If you do a search out there after a couple days, this post will show up on an organic search, okay? Now, we're going to do one to Twitter now. What I want you to do is I want you to do one to each one of these. It's very powerful. And use those keywords when you can. So let's go to Twitter. Now what you're going to have to do with Twitter is you're going to have to copy some of those keywords. Because you can't make a post with all those keywords. So you're going to pick out some keywords. As you can see, Twitter or X now, it's X. It's not going to allow me to put all those in there, so I got to delete a couple of them here, down here in the red. And now I'm going to post. Oops, I've already said that. Oh, I already made that post. Okay, now we're going to go and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot so that I will pay you for each post that you make as long as you give me a screenshot. Okay, here's the one I made for on my Facebook group. What you're going to do is you're going to take a screenshot by highlighting, making sure you get the Facebook up here, logo, highlighting it all the way down here and take a screenshot. You're going to do that for each and every one that you do. Then you're going to get into the Telegram group, and you're going to find my name. You're going to click on me, and you're going to send a message. Just post this in here. Please give me the instructions on how to get paid for watching and sharing the videos. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a post with the instruction. It's going to look something like this. I'm not going to get into too much detail. I'm going to give you the keywords, and then this is what you're going to do. You're going to copy each one of those screenshots and post them individually, not bundled together, because it's hard for me to read it. But you got to make sure I can see that. I know this one came from Facebook, this one's LinkedIn, and I can see this came from Twitter, all right? There's X, now X. That's how you're going to do it. Now, I pay, when I can see the keywords here, I pay even more to make sure that I can see those keywords. So I'm going to pay even more. If I don't see any keywords, I'm still going to pay you, but it's not going to be as much as I would if I see those keywords here. So the more you share, the more you get paid. And the ones that happen to be in the YouTube videos, probably the best ones I'm going to pay the most on. But you can share your YouTube video with any other social networking site that you might have or be a member of, such as what's it, the Wow app, and there's all kinds of them out there that are not programmed in YouTube. So you can share them anywhere, any place that you want, as long as you show me with a screenshot where you shared them at, all right? Yeah, right here. This is what I was looking for right here, such as Skype and Discord and of course Telegram. Share them in your other Telegram groups. But I won't pay your premium like I will with some of these others here up here. That here's Reddit. You can share them with Reddit, Pinterest, Mix, WhatsApp. Just make sure when you take a screenshot, I can see where you shared them at, okay? Okay, gang, you know what to do. I'll be waiting for you inside the Grand Harbor Training and Discussion Telegram group, ready to pay you for watching and sharing these videos. Let's go make some money.